what ended up happening is I had a job, but I would always know people that were in the wrong side of on the wrong side of the law, right? I always gravitated to those types of people. I would go through these periods where I would do really good. I'd have a job, and then I'd make some money, and then I would convince myself that I deserve, to go out and have a good time. Look how good I'm doing. You deserve to go out and have a good time, buddy. And that would always, the good time would never stop. It just kept going. And then the job would go away. And then I'd have to figure out a way, to get some drugs and sell them. And, and a lot of that too is when I would start that route, I would just sell drugs naturally to pay for my own habit. And like, I was a horrible drug dealer. Don't think that I was making a lot of money out there, because I was not.
Okay.
I was getting by and getting high and supporting my habit, and basically just being a horrible human being in the process, because that's what I was before who I am now. There was a lot of bad behavior, a lot of manipulation, a lot of, just not so good behavior from me.